CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Okay, so last time we had seen how to create suppliers. Today we'll talk about how to get supplier invoices. Then we'll see. I think we did create suppliers. I'm not sure, but I just have to look at, like nodes last time, what we did. 1 second. Where are my nodes? VC unit. VC unit. VC unit. VC unit. Okay, yeah, we did not create the supplier invoices at all. We just had set up suppliers, set up spread categories, purchase item, that's all. Okay, great. So let's talk about creating supplier invoices. For that, we'll see the supplier invoices first. So we'll go to BP Supplier Invoices. We'll look at the default definition. So if you look at here, we have initiation step. Then the first step. Second step was to abbreviate and express list. Then if it has sent you track your lines, then people go to business as an accountant. Then the next step would be initiating asset acquisition event automatically from invoice. And the third last step would be assigned counting information from invoice. So this is the B? P. Let's see the security policy of it. So we have create supplier invoices adjustment, and then we have create supplier invoice also these people can do. Then web services like EIB, submit supplier invoices, create invoices, purchase order. Create supplier invoices, purchase order. Create supplier invoices also. So you can see that along with the standalone task of creating supplier invoice, you can also create supplier invoice from purchase orders also, that from receipt also. And you can review supplier invoice review track. Review the invoice lines. Create receipt for purchase order or supplier invoice. Then you can view all you completely approve ad hoc, approve correct, all those things. So pretty straightforward. Now is the same, create supplier invoice. Business process is done by the implementation team or the people who are working on creating the invoices. Implementation is like BP is done by the implementation team initially. After that, like if you want to modify anything, then it's like the customer side, but the first time it's done by the implementation team. 1. So, the way I'm looking, one with this. I will not have to do this right. If I'm just doing some entries, you don't have to do this. It will be already configured. This is what we are doing. This is what you would be doing as an end user. I'm just not only mostly interested in end user. Yeah, that's fine. To company BGP, link it. What was our supplier? Okay. Now we're getting a small alert that the ledger period is not open for this one. Maybe it's showing that the ledger period is tarnished. If you don't select a very little bit tarnished, you post a first letter, bit of most, to other status. So before that, let's quickly check if we have openly generate period on offer. So we'll just say, blanket. Mass update. So that should be 2023. Standard fiscal year. We have to check our company standard year. This is slightly confusing. So let's go to our BGC. So let's see the schedule. What's the name of? Okay. They never created the fiscal year. Strange. Let's create it. Oh, it's the mark if it is there. But first one only 3. Are you able to see it somewhere? They just named it like, see, oh fully, people are there in this world. We are not Rahul, right? I wish I was Rahul. Know everything in life. You will all get this soon. Once you start practice everything, it will be there for you also. I really tell you, I'm not able to get it because I don't know. My mindset is not there. I think that's okay. That's what it's like once you start putting focus and putting more and more transition, because I'm into implementation, consulting. So I have 4 projects to handle. That's why initially when I started career, like even same thing was with BOC. I was not aware about the task and everything, but slowly and gradually, all things came now. But there's still a lot of things to learn in Workday only. It's easy. Now the good part is, that's fine. That's open for us. Okay. Now it's saying, I have to do one more thing now. Now here we have found out. But if it is saying that it's not open, that's really, yeah. There is one Arsville error, maybe the LSSR? I don't know how to do this. It's the LSSR.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.